Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a signature in Gmail. You might have seen at the bottom of email you received the logo of the company, the name of the person with other details. That is called the email signature. Creating such kind of signature is easy and I am gonna show you how you can do it by yourself. Let's see. First of all, you have to go to Microsoft Word. Inside Microsoft Word, you have to create the signature. You have to create the format as you like to put that in Gmail. You can insert photos or any text or any other edits you can do here. So once you make the format, once you are ready and you are happy with the design, and now you have to go to Gmail. In the Gmail you can see settings on the top right and see all settings. In all settings you have to go to general tab, and below in the general tab you can find signature. In the signature you can now paste the design of the signature that you have made in Microsoft Word. After you copy and paste here, then you have to select these options to the name of the signature, and after you done this, then save changes. This will create your signature, and your signature will be included in all the emails you send to someone.